Hey, what's going on? This is Rob from Panther, and today we're going to check out how to make this abstract pattern in Illustrator. Also, if you want to learn how to make all these videos here in these examples and push your skills to the next level, I launched my Patreon page where I uploaded a bunch of these advanced tutorials. If you want to check them out, you can click the link in the description and access Patreon premium content, where you can access a bunch of high quality images and tutorials. Step 1, I'm going to select the black color and I'm going to select the circle, press and hold Shift plus Alt, create a little circle. I'm going to press and hold Alt and I'm going to make it really oval like this. I'm going to press and hold Shift, rotate it, and I'm going to position here. I'm going to press and hold Alt, drag it to the right. From here, press Ctrl D to duplicate, and I'm going to create 6 copies. I'm going to unite them, go to the Pathfinder, click on Unite. If you don't have the Pathfinder, go to Windows and select the Pathfinder. I'm going to swap it from fill to stroke. I'm going to select the rectangle, and I'm going to press and hold Shift, create a rectangle. These little circles going to be right into the rectangle. I'm going to select the circles, press and hold Alt, drag it down, press and hold Shift, press Ctrl D to duplicate 6 times. I'm going to select these two, like the bottom circles and the rectangle, and I'm going to go to the vertical align bottom, and I'm going to delete the rectangle. I'm going to select all the circles, and I'm going to go here to the vertical distribute center, right click, group. Now I'm going to press Ctrl C, and then I'm going to go to edit, paste in back, and I'm going to recolor it to white. You won't see anything here, but I'm going to press and hold Shift plus Alt, and I'm going to scale the bounding box down. So as you can see, the white version is getting scaled down. I'm going to select both of these, and I'm going to go to Object, Blend, and Make. I'm going to go and double click here on the blend tool, and I'm going to select specify steps. I'm going to type in here 400, click OK. And this is how you make this really cool abstract shape in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.